Alright, another project in the house. Controller. This one, I ended up grabbing at the yard sale. I already cleaned it up, but the inside, I bet you it's filthy. I've done one or two of these before in the past, and yeah, they were disgusting. So figured I'd do this while I'm at it. Back here as well. That's it. See that? Look at that. Filth. Set that off to the side. Look at that, even the cord. All kinds of shit on there. So what I do with these is I take all the buttons. Look at that. There's even a piece of pubic here. Ugh. Yeah, shout out to that. Yeah, disgusting. Make sure they don't fall on the floor. Take out the nipples. Where's my tweezers? A and B button. I'm just going to use the bin to wash all this up. Look at that directional pad. See that? That's what I'm saying. You can clean the front all you want, but it's never clean, truly. That and that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with some alcohol, clean this up, clean all these traces up. Make sure everything's nicey nice. Clean this up back here. And of course, do these in the sink, wash them, let them dry, etc. And then we'll put it all back together. There's no need for me to film that. It's just washing. It's like washing your dishes or washing your pair of reading glasses or your glasses or sunglasses or anything else in between that. So let me go do this. Alright, as you can see, everything is wet here. I just cleaned it. Came out really nice. Good as almost new. I'm just going to quickly dab little areas like this. Put it back on here like that. Actually, let me see here. There we go. New towel like that. See? Like so. And I'm going to let it dry on its own while I work on that circuit board. This here is, I forgot what percentage it is, but it's alcohol. So what I like to do is toothbrush, get it on there. As you see, that's excessive. Don't want that. And then do a quick wipe, just like that. Grab some Q-tips above. Running out of Q-tips here. And then go like that. And you can see a little bit of black stuff on there. So yeah, she was dirty. I also like to do it this way. That. And you can see that. Just be careful with these wires. You can actually rip them. Then you're going to be soldering. This is the dry side. Just go like that. And then one last scrub, just to get whatever lint and little debris that left. Okay, like that. Also, do the back side. Alright, set that off to the side and let that dry off. It'll be quick because it's only alcohol. It'll evaporate. And then of course do your wire and all that, but I already did the wire. I just didn't do this area here that's inside the remote. So once this dries, I will get back and we'll assemble it. Alright, everything's dry. Now it's time to put it back together. Now I see something over here before I put this back together. Shout out to the telephone always going off, right? How many of you have that problem? Okay, so now we're ready. So buttons A and B, directional pad. Actually got a problem here, hold on. The debris stuck on the pad. Just took care of that. Sometimes it happens. That's a lot better. Okay. So I'll go like that. Then I believe it was this way, right? Yeah. Start and select button, like so. And then we have a pad that is missing. Where is it? Uh-oh. What's going on here, boys? Okay. Now these here. There we go. So that's looking good. Now, place this here, like so. Come on. Two little holes right here, see that? Right there. That's where your wire is going to run through as well. Check it out. Goes in like that. And then it's going to come up. I think it was this way, if I wasn't mistaken. And then, what was it? Something like this. Hold on, give me a second here. It's over here. It's this little corner here. I always mess this one up. Right there. There we go. Right? Wasn't it that way? I'm gonna look like a dope if I get this wrong. Oh no, wait a minute. Something like this. There we go. I got it. And then like that. I like using the back of the tweezers. Like that. And then I'll put this like that. Actually, it doesn't even go that way. I think, yeah, it was supposed to go this way like that. Oh well. If not, as long as it closes, it'll be alright. I believe that's it. Let me just wipe this off. Make sure there's nothing on here. Before I put it back together, I just want to make sure that everything's good. That looks good to me. Feels good too. Yeah. Okay. Making sure there's no water on here. I did let it dry. I blew it off, but not that great. Just like that. Place your screws back in and you're good to go. That's it. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick refurbish, cleanup, whatever you want to call it. Also, don't forget your pins. Blow them out. If you want to spray that electrical spray there, I forgot what the name of it, but there's a spray for the electrical traces. Spray that. Let it sit for a while. Spray it again with compressed air. Get that out of there. Clean it all up. And almost good as new. Thanks again. Guys and gals, have a good one. On to the next project. We go.